This is Don from DaretoBeCreative. How you awesome people doing today? Thank you so much on this wonderful Sunday for stopping by and checking out my project share for our collab. So this is another 757 CWA Crafters with an Attitude collab, and we are doing different things for each quarter of the year. So the first 3 months of this year, starting in February, we are making cards. We have to make 2 cards, anything crafter's choice, just so we can build our stash. So any size, no stipulation of what materials have to be or anything. So there are a list of collaborators, like I said, and so is myself. It is Lisa, Susan, Leah, Sheba, and also Donna. Donna has the Instagram. I will have everyone's channel linked below. Go stop by, give them some love, and I guarantee you they will amaze you with what they create. They are some awesome ladies, so they're going to create some awesome stuff. So check out what they did. I ain't even trying to say names because it's 3:30 in the morning. I just got back yesterday and been out of town and had to catch up and get crafting today, and had a wonderful unexpected visit from my brother, my baby brother, so, and his wife and daughter, so threw me behind from getting these cards made, but that was the best interruption, so I can't complain. You know, I hadn't seen them since the pandemic, so it was like so cool to get to see him. Anyway, what do I have? So I used my Stays On. I used, of course, these, not all of them, but plenty of the Spectrum Noir markers to color. I use my Wink of Stella in clear. I use my Creative Memories repositional tape, because you can take it up and move it, because I couldn't find my liquid glue on my small project. I use my Creative Memory punch called Campfire. I use my Creative Memories Starry Night Border Maker cartridge. It's called, not Starry Night, just called Starry. And I used it to get the stars out of there. And then I used 2 spellbinders dies, and these are by Debbie Adams. And this one is called Fire Up the Grill. And you can see this one, I got it on clearance. Back in the day, it was a reasonable price, but I got this on clearance from Tuesday morning. This Mellow Out Group Hug. It's more fun when we're together. And so you can see the dies and the stamps. And again, that's Fire Up the Grill. And this one is called Toast with Jam and Bread. And again, this is by Debbie Adams. You can see the dies here. And it says, Toast to the happy couple. Thanks for getting me out of a jam. You are jamming. Way to go. And there's some jam. You make everything butter. And I cut out plenty of pieces to these die sets to make multiple copies of cards. But I'm tired. It's had a crazy trip. Good trip, but crazy. And a little bit tired now. So I'm going to show you what I've made. So the first card I made with this toast, jam, and bread. And I used the jam, and I just made my own background by stamping it just randomly on the background. And then I used a little 2 pieces of strawberries. So I used the jam and the 2 strawberries, and then I used the sentiments. Thanks for getting me out of a jam, as you can see here. And this layer is popped up on foam dots, and then the black. And then on the inside it says, you are jamming. And again, that's layered in there as well. I think that turned out super cute. So yeah, thanks for getting me out of a jam. And then for this one, I decided to do this card shape. You don't talk about the name of it. Whatever. What's this card shape called? I don't know. I'm sleepy. I'm getting delirious. Sorry about my nails. So I used a stamp that says, it's more fun. And then on the inside it says, when we're together. And I'm going to put probably another s'more down here. But what it is, this is the grill. I put some of those punch out stars there. And this is the grill. And you've got your graham cracker and your chocolate. And then here's the punch out, the campfire punch to put the campfire. And again, it says it's more fun when we're together. So I used my weakest seller on the flavors, the grill, and the marshmallows, and on the stars. I thought it came out super cute. And so those are my 2 cards that I made this month. And of course, you'll see up close pictures on my Instagram. Check out the ladies. And again, I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.